Unless you have a roll cage.
Learned that the hard way. Going to a Bees game, my friend was driving and she has a Jeep. And we were going on the freeway, but we were going 60. And I was like, wow, you drive like an old grandma. She's like, I can't actually drive faster than this. Yeah. It was a really long ride.
That's the problem. It was a girl driving.
A girl from Utah driving. Utah drivers, to be honest.
California.
It's the Midwest drivers that are
We're just talking
bad.
about bad girl drivers that almost killed us trying to go and
I haven't gotten in a crash, and I've never gotten in a
Says the person who failed to yield, actually.
Failed to yield. I mean, it wasn't entirely my fault because she was speeding, but you can't really.
Okay,
prove
but
that.
who got the bigger ticket?
I don't know. I didn't see hers.
No, I'm sure it was not them.
Dalen got worse than me when he got his crash.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
but that's because the officer was right there.
I know, Dallin could have got out of that if Officer Sheldon wasn't sitting right there.
Exactly.
Because the guy's bumper was, or the guy's trunk was already beat up anyway, and the guy was really cool about it. Dallin has a picture of him and the guy.
Like, he's like this.
Oh,
Yeah, like this.
let me tell you, if you ever go to court, or if you haven't, or if you do, don't bring your mom.
Yeah.
My mom went to court with me, and she's like, talking about getting pictures for her blog. It was the stupid. I was like, really? You can't make this a bigger deal than it already is?
Yeah, you're in court and it's your first time and you're like, crap, I'm going before a judge and he's going to tell me what I had to do.
Exactly.
And how bad I really screwed up. And then your mom's there, she's like, make sure you do this, make sure you do that. Don't do that. Call him your honor. It's like, Mom, shut up.
Wow.
Dallin said he was really, really intimidated because there were all these, like, convicts before him or whatever, like, delinquents before him.
Yeah, you know, it's like, I hate that. Like, at school, you see the Officer Sheldon, and he's really cool with, like, all the, you know, all the jerks and all the delinquents, you know? But then you do, you know, something really minor, and all hell breaks loose. Goodness.
And so Dallin, so the judge asked him, what do you plead? He's like, guilty. Just all like timid but he said the judge was really cool, but he was freaked out because all these delinquents are filing out.
Now, was this at Woods Cross Court?
I don't know.
Oh, I hate
North Salt Lake Cubs sucks.
Oh, yeah, cops.
My cop was
Centerville.
Centerville cops have up their butts.
The Woods Cross cops, I gotta say, are really cool, because
The Woods Cross cops are pretty
freaking,
bad.
I sped through
So
school
we're
zone,
Farmington
school
cops.
zone, right? Which is understandable that he's like, oh, we have a zero tolerance. But I was speeding through a neighborhood also right after that, and he totally was just like, he disregarded that completely.
Yeah?
He was like, yeah, and you weren't really going slow in this neighborhood either. I was like, yeah, I know. He's like, we're not gonna worry about that. We're just zero tolerance for school zone. You can't do that, buddy. I was like, alright. So I could have gotten a way bigger ticket and bigger charge.
How many tickets have you gotten?
Uno?
One.
Yes, that is the English translation.
But you
I've
had that
gotten
one
2
car.
tickets.
Yeah, but there were no cops involved.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, sorry. I guess she changed her number. Some guy named Jason.
Wait.
It's not Jason Statham!
Because you have your old sister's phone, huh?
Yep.
Your old sister's.
Your old sister's new phone,
My
From
new
her-
sister's old phone.
pretty much.